STEPN truly is a low-position cryptographic money as of now evaluated at 19 cents that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $190,194,013 incredibly. Over the past by and large couple of years, digital forms of money, including STEPN, laid out major areas of strength for in the worldwide monetary world and for the most part are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards. A few institutional financial backers even for the most part consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unpretentious way. Retail financial backers and dealers are especially keen on digital currencies certainly, for example, GMT since this is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources have the potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately brief timeframe in an unobtrusive way. These profits are certainly out of reach in genuinely different business sectors, which is the justification for why most moderate financial backers generally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like STEPN, while the groundbreaking ones dedicate a critical piece of their in every practical sense cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, or so they sort of thought. This, in every practical sense, is clearly a shrewd methodology since the worldwide economy especially is in a condition of extremely durable emergency while the customary business sectors really are adapting to the desire of high and mighties in an unpretentious manner. The regular stores of significant worth, government-issued types of money like USD or kind of valuable metals like gold, can't in every way that really matters be depended on any longer. So in every way that really matters, more and kind of additional individuals especially are turning their eyes to digital currencies and most certainly broad and GMT in genuinely specific in an essentially significant manner. This STEPN cost forecast truly has the reason for aiding you sort of turned into a much more most certainly moderate merchant or financial backer and basically accomplish the accompanying objectives. 1. Differentiate the speculation portfolio by enhancing it with the in every practical sense best delegates of this resource class. 2. Which explicitly is genuinely huge. Relieve the dangers related with the market that in a real sense is still in the developmental stage. 3. Which sort of is genuinely critical. Get a superior comprehension of both the continuous circumstance on the cryptographic money market and its possibilities in the fundamentally lengthy run. 4. In an unpretentious way. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of STEPN to the level at 19 cents where it presently truly sits in an unpretentious manner. As currently referenced, GMT in a real sense is a low-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 93rd spot in worldwide cryptographic money ranking. The metric that by and not entirely settled by duplicating the kind of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of STEPN, the market capitalization certainly remains at $190,194,013. The significance of this boundary will by and large be for the most part made sense of later in an unobtrusive manner. 5. In an essentially significant manner. Recently, on June 17th, GMT really was esteemed at 19 cents at the turn of the two exchanging meeting. Recall that digital currencies fundamentally are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period truly added up to 0.04% incredibly. 6. Incredibly, 7 days prior, on June 11th, STEPN was exchanged at 19 cents at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its especially present position, which is very critical. 7. On May 18th, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged GMT at 28 cents, the cost level that is at the distance of 29.21% from where it as of now truly stands. The cost of GMT and the readings of 114 fundamentally are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost forecasts a very significant way. Market capitalization basically is another significant, most certainly metric that by and large assists traders with really deciding the ubiquity of the cryptographic money being referred to as well as its future possibilities in an unobtrusive manner. It is likewise used to generally survey the offer that STEPN sort of holds inside the by and large whole cryptographic money market. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization sort of is fairly basic, the coursing supply of the cash being referred to especially as duplicated by its ongoing cost. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of GMT remains at $190,194,013, enough to name it the 93rd, practically the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, or so they in a real sense thought. Yesterday, on June 17th, the market capitalization of STEPN remained at $184,823,300 in an especially significant manner. 7 days prior, on June 11th, the capitalization of GMT by and large was $180,515,490, which is very critical. A month prior, on May 18th, how much kind of capital streaming around this specific market fundamentally added up to $243,813,624 incredibly. Most cryptographic money financial backers especially stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related within in every practical sense. Certain digital currency and its capacity to endure disturbances which sort of are the normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market incredibly. It's kind of obvious that the truly previously mentioned market capitalization of STEPN permits to order it as the little cap cryptographic money that has a place in the generally safe gathering, which certainly is genuinely huge, since we especially have proactively referenced the recipe for computing the market capitalization. It would sort of be really proper to dedicate a piece of this report to the stock of GMT, or so they thought, for prettier data. There generally are three sorts of supply for basically every digital money: the exceptionally greatest stockpile, which basically implies the quantity of coins that would be created on an extremely specific blockchain all through its presence; the all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the commencement of the task; the coursing supply, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in truly different words, that most certainly are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The extremely greatest stockpile of STEPN basically is 6,000,000,000 GMT. The truly all-out supply of GMT as of now basically remains at 5,484,188,977 coins, which is very critical. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under survey essentially is 952,322,297 GMT in a significant manner. This STEPN cost forecast wouldn't fundamentally be exceptionally finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by essentially all digital currency merchants to especially affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in an especially significant manner. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain certainly is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there is a fundamentally high likelihood that this move especially is impractical and would bring about a bullish snare, or so they thought. Consequently, it's vital to explicitly break down the past and the truly current exchanging volume of GMT requests to sort of comprehend whether this market has a basic strength. Over the in every practical sense, recent hours, the exchanging volume on the STEPN market truly was enrolled at $13258,162, or so they explicitly thought. Yesterday, on June 17th, GMT in a real sense had an exchanging volume of $180,49279, which most certainly is very critical. 7 days prior, on June 11th, the genuinely normal day-to-day exchanging volume on that market added up to $70,565,108, which is genuinely huge.